All right, let's take a look at a nice little Zippo I just got in. All right, now this one came with the cardboard sleeve. It looks like they're doing more of those. That's good, more protection. And this one says on it, James Bond. Now this came in the normal black box, made in, it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. It also says James Bond with the barcode, Bradford, PA. Now this one has a little bit nicer insert. It's the James Bond or 007 franchise logo right there. That's semi-collectible. So here's the Zippo. Nice big 007 on the front with the gun barrel. It's on a black matte finish. Let's see, that looks like F of 17, which is, I think that's June or July of this year, so it's a pretty new one. And you can see it's on a brass body with that black matte finish. Real good sound. Steel insert, not gold. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this 007 lighter. See if I can hit the target. So that is the Zippo 007 lighter. Pretty nice one. And I believe the first James Bond movie came out in about '62. Dr. No, From Russia with Love the next year, and Goldfinger, which has the best soundtrack, came out in '64. And Zippo, since they're made in the USA, deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.